Hey, I'm Dr. Monica Go. I'm the Global Humanitarian Chair for Luwani. And do you know that friendship doubles our joy? Yes, and that's what I've found here in Luwani, being part of this team for a couple of years now. And I want to invite you to know who's behind the scenes to make this all happen. Here they are. See you in Africa.